President Draupadi Murmu has offered prayers at Kamakhya Temple in Guwahati, Assam. She was accompanied by Governor of Assam Professor Jagdish Mukhi, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and other dignitaries. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has called for investments in infrastructure and simplification of international taxation rules. She stressed the need to mobilize finance at sub-national level for inclusive and quality infrastructure. With parts of Shillong facing severe water crisis which led to the immense suffering to the people in Meghalaya capital, two suspended Congress legislators Dr. Ampareen Lindor and M. Rapsang met Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, bringing the issue to his notice. Suspended Congress legislator from East Shillong constituency Dr. M. Ampareen Lindor has alleged that the Congress party has disintegrated and rejected all the 5 sitting legislators and instead have decided to put up their own candidates. In FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup 2022, India will take on Morocco in its second group stage match today at the Kalinga Stadium in Odisha capital Bhubaneswar at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time.